Hey viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Ramadan series. आप सबको रमदान बहुत मुबारक हो. Whatever the situation is, Ramadan always brings a positivity along with it. So let's make use of it to the best in this Ramadan with our beloved ones. Turning to today's post, Padar ke samosa are quite popular in every part of world. So today I am sharing the recipe of crispy and layered keeme ke samosa. So don't skip this video, watch till it ends. Give a big thumbs up below if you like this recipe and don't forget to share. So let's begin the process. First I am making keema. Heat 2 to 3 tablespoon oil in a pan. Now adding 3 medium sized finely chopped onions. Saute till it becomes translucent. Adding 1 teaspoon ginger and garlic paste. Goes in 2 medium sized chopped tomatoes. Mix well. To this I am adding 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste. Adding some water and now fry this well till it becomes soft and mushy. And now add 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Give this a very good mix. To this I am adding 500 grams of minced meat, keema. Give this a very nice mix. Adding some chopped coriander leaves. Adding 1 cup of water. And now close the lid and cook till oil separates and water absorbs, at least for 5 minutes in a slow flame. And now keema is ready to fill. Switch off the flame and keep aside to room temperature. And now let's make the dough. Take a bowl, add 3 cups of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon salt, half cup hot oil. Let the oil cool down. It should be warm. Now mix this with a spoon or spatula. And then I'm using my hand to knead the dough. First check with the flour by holding in your palm as directed. Add water gradually to knead the dough till it becomes stiff dough. Close it with wet towel and rest it for 30 minutes. And now the dough is well rested for 30 minutes. Knead it for 1 minute. Place it on board and divide it into small equal balls as directed. Now transfer all the dough balls into the bowl and close it. Take one dough ball, roll out to 10 to 12 equal discs. Place 12 equal discs on sides. Now take one rolled disc. Apply some ghee on it. You can also use oil or dalda. Now sprinkle some flour on it and keep one more disc on top. Apply ghee on that disc. Sprinkle flour on top. Again place one more disc on top. Same process to all the 12 discs. Do it as directed. On top disc you should avoid applying oil and roll out to make little wide. And now I'm going to cut the edges and keep aside. Cut it into 16 square pieces. and keep aside in a closed bowl. And now I'm going to roll out one square as directed. Fill 1 to 2 teaspoon keema. Apply dough paste near the filling as directed. And then fold it and press it near the filling and seal. Same process with all the samosas. And now I'm going to heat oil in a large kadai. Drop the samosas on hot oil and switch the flame on medium-high. Now pour the hot oil on top of the samosas. Turn and fry both the sides till it becomes golden brown. Drain it on a paper towel or wire rack. And serve hot with tomato sauce or green chutney. Crispy, flaky keema samosas are ready to serve with tomato ketchup or mint chutney. You will love this samosas. Feel free to adapt this crispy keema samosas recipe to make it your own. Would love to hear about it. Do tag us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen. Thank you so much for following and being part of Shimi's Kitchen. Make sure to subscribe and click that little bell icon. See you soon in our next video with more such amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.